fat. Man, you look like you weigh 500 pounds. Oh yeah, Billy the Fridge, Billy the Fridge, Billy the Fridge. I'm looking on YouTube right now. And you, okay? I'm going to search up your, I just search up your channel. It shows this. Hope you can hear this.
You are now about to witness the threat of kids now.
See that?
You got little kids crying. YouTube for the few views up in your biz line. Your memes are really not the freshest. You retweets the repeat, really fucking precious. What you call my boy Alex, beg your pardon, homes? He about to go Django and then take his garden, no.
Okay. The fat. My boy Leafy. Why have a donut for a necklace? Cause you're fat and you need more food? If I see you, you're dead. Who's that kid? He looks like a kid. Well, I'm a kid, but he looks gay. He looks gay. Gay, 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 gay. Why does your hair look ugly and why you look all fat? If you know what it is, if you come here, I'm gonna kill you. Why are you blowing Leafy? Look like a gay lord. You're probably all gay lord. You probably get no girls because you're fat. Now blowing rice gum. You look fat, that's why you got so much